Hello, welcome to the third part of the series we've been on, and this will be 3D. We want to visualize the buffer we've done, the 3D buffer we've done on ArcMap. So all we need to do is to go to our art data folder here, and then we go to the folder that is containing what we have. But we'll be bringing the two 3D buffer we did, buffer 10 and buffer 6. So this is our buffer 10. We'll just uncheck it and leave our buffer 6. Okay, so what we want to do now is want to know if okay, let's first change the symbology. So go to right click and go to symbol properties, and then from the properties we go to symbology, then we go to categories, and then we just maybe use Zmax and add the data. Then we look at the colors and then we click on OK. So this is the color we have here, and then let's do same for the other one. So we come to categories, we use minimal, and then we click on OK. Then we'll go with this. Okay, now what we want to know is if before we do any geoprocessing analysis or operations, we want to know if the polygons are closed. All right, that's what I want to know. So we will just go to this tool, our search here, and then we search is closed. Okay, so is closed 3D. If I just search is closed, I should be able to see is closed 3D. So I'm just going to bring this tool up. So I'm just going to drag this second one, this one like this, into this. That's the second one, yeah. So I'm going to click on OK. So it's closed, it's done. So let's go and check. I'll go to properties, attribute table. Then we can see that it's closed. So we've also done that to the first one here. Go to attribute table and we check. We see that it's closed. So both of them are actually closed. So we could go ahead and do some geoprocessing operations knowing that they are now closed. So we will duplicate this layer. Okay, just click on a copy, and then we'll come up to the scene layer here and paste it. So these are the two here. So we're going to rename this, go to properties and rename this, go to general and just say buffer one. Then we go to definition query and we click on query builder. Then we say object ID equal to get unique value 1. Alright, then we'll click on OK. So we also go to symbology, and we will give it a symbology, and we'll click on OK. Then we right click on this, go to properties, make it buffer 2, and then we go to symbology, we make a change to it. Then we go to definition query builder, object ID equal to get unique values 2. Then we'll click on OK and click on OK. So we have this two. Now what we need to do is we can go to, I don't know what's wrong with my own screen keyboard, but so we'll go to difference. just search for difference 3D. So we have difference 3D, which in the context of the 2D is more like the eraser tool. Alright, so we wanted to know where this whole thing intercepts. Alright, so I'm going to click on one and then bring in buffer 1, and here I'll bring in buffer 2. Now what it does, that is going to erase the portion at which each of them intercept, using the 1 and 2 we did from that side. So 1 we erase, 2 where they really intercept. So once that is done, I'm just going to click on OK. Okay, so it has done. So but for us to see it, we have to uncheck buffer 1 and buffer 2. Now when we uncheck it, we'll turn to be able to see where has been erased on this very one. Okay, so now we're going to do that to the up one too. So we're going to click on here, select copy, then paste it. All right, so okay, so I'm going to drag this to come and meet its brother up here. So we're going to do the same thing we've done before. We'll right click on this, repeat the, we're repeating the same step. We just go to properties. First we go to general and name it buffer 10 1. Now since we use buffer 10 and it's going to be the 1, so go to symbology, we just tweak the color to outside, and then we'll go to definition query. Then we'll do the same thing, object id equal to get unique value 1. Click on OK. Okay, so we'll do the same thing with the one following it, and then we go to, let's do the query then, object id equal to get unique value 2. Click on OK. Then we go to symbology and we have a change of colors, and then we go to general and we just remove this and add 2 to it. Okay, so click on OK. Now we'll pick up the general to the difference tool again, then we bring in this one minus this one, so click on OK. So in anticipation, let's remove this one so that we'll wait for it as it finishes. So as it finishes, this is the volume it has occupied from, that's the volume of intercept. Okay, so you can see, isn't it, the volume to which it has intercepted at this in this this buffer 10. So we can see that of this, so it's inside it, and then you can see the volume that they have occupied. So you see, this is that of 10, and this is the 10th one, and then this is the 6th buffer, and then we can see the volume it has taken on this. So I will love to complete the video here, but I think I will have to make another one. So we could say we've been able to check if the polygon or the buffer is closed. We'll import, check if it's closed, and then we'll be able to do a difference in 3D. That's, we've erased the portion that they intercepted at. So in the next video, I will conclude this video with another epic tool. So don't go anywhere, stay tuned. and keep learning.